All right, so what we have here is the single point watering system. This is a very popular option for all of our deep cycle industrial batteries. I would almost consider it more of a necessity than an option. What we have is batteries need periodic watering, and this makes it a real clean and easy way to do so. It limits contact with the acid or the electrolyte, so operators don't actually have to open each cell to check the water. All they have to do is look at the white dot. If the white dot is down, like in this one here, it's indicating it needs water. If it's up, like this dot here, it's indicating it's full. So if we have one dot down, all we do is we take one end of the plug, we plug it into this, and we drop that into a gallon of distilled water. Then we pump the hand pump until it stops. It will offer resistance. Each cell has a check valve, so you can't overfill them, and they stop when they're automatically full. When we're done, we unplug this, we wrap this up, and we store it in a safe place.